Ready? Tell me when.
Okay, go.
Twisty Road Rider.
Well done, you. Yeah. So XL have given me a security man to take me over to the bikes, which is handy. There we go. There's some of them there. Good journey?
Hi, good journey.
Good journey?
All good. Lovely and windy.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Hi, Stacey. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Richard.
Morning, Roy.
I'm going to ask you the question.
Go on then.
And the question is, where are we today?
We are in Narnia and we came through the wardrobes.
And where did we arrive?
We ended up in XL for the London Bike Show
2020.
2020 with the Twisty Road Riders.
With the Twisty Road Riders. So, who sponsors this year's show?
I've got no idea.
Carole Nash.
Oh yeah, of course it is.
Of course it is.
Every year, Carole Nash. Why didn't I think of that?
I don't know.
I went blank then.
Never mind. So let's have a. We can. That's okay. We can pan around. There's a big space.
Loads. Not many bikes up here, Roy.
Not many bikes.
Just this guy, man. Here, look.
Not many bikes today.
Sorry, this is Roy's security escort because Roy can't be trusted.
Yeah.
That's it.
With no motorcycle, so
Fiddling around with a motorcycle.
this guy is Roy's escort for the day.
There we go.
I'll keep my eye on it.
Say Twisty Road Riders.
That's Twisty Road Riders.
Well done.
There you
brother.
go. There you go. Well done. Thanks for that.
Twisty Road Riders.
There we go. Well done, Tony.
Twisty Road Riders.
Twisty Road Riders.
Without the S.
Twisty Road Rider.
Perfect.
Twisty Road Rider.
Rider.
Rider. Twisty Road Rider.
That's the one.
Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Yeah.
Say that backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Let's
the other
swap the right.
big question of the day, I'm going to ask you, how's my hair?
It don't look too bad, actually.
Well, for someone that hasn't had a crash helmet on, I thought you would have made more of an effort.
Yeah, I did make it, but I've been standing at the bottom of that ramp waiting for you guys to arrive.
Cold with the train.
At the London XL Motorcycle Show, just waiting for the guys to arrive. They'll be here any minute. Just freezing my cods off though in between time. It's in this wind. And you can see the Thames behind blowing up.
cameraman wasn't ready for us yet.
Yeah, no.
So we waited. You haven't been in makeup yet, have you?
Who, me?
Yeah.
It's cutwear.
I think we found a new star for Twisty Road Rider. What's your name?
Perry.
Perry, of course it is Perry. Perry, well done, Perry. That's, yeah.
I think I've just been made redundant as the comic element.
Yeah, that's it. Well, I think you would have made redundant by yourself by that.
Yeah. Thanks, Perry. Come again, wouldn't you?
So I thought we had 18 here.
Yeah, in cars. Did you see the weather report?
Yeah, I'm telling everyone for last week.
Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. And don't swim in the sea. Incredibly, people have been spotted in the water here in Blackrock and Salt Hill, both today and yesterday.
Some of us need to come from miles though, down country lanes and everything, so it was safer. It was safer.
Do you remember the ride to
Not
Dungeness?
for me, for everybody else.
What's this?
Do you remember the ride to Dungeness?
Yeah.
I'm sure there was country lanes on that.
Yeah, they were, but they weren't severe weather warnings. And where I was this morning, it was flooded. There was lakes down the country lanes. There was debris everywhere, and I was just as well.
The Skinner way.
This is Storm Dennis we're talking about.
Yeah, that's it. Dennis the Menace, they say.
There was a better one last time, wasn't it?
What was she called? Kira. That's my granddaughter's name. Yeah. She's a little hurricane.
We were down on the coast.
Let's see where she gets it from.
Her mother.
We were down at Worthing. It was horrendous.
Very good. More bikes.
I know, what a big great little week.
Okay, Tony, should we go and
Right,
should we go and have a look?
at these bikes, bro. Okay. Get a coffee and a bike, or just have a coffee and
Get a coffee.
load of bikes.
Any favourites? Any favourites for today?
So we're after the new Honda 500S, which
Right.
is the new Rebel. So
Right,
the new
okay.
CMX 500, that's called the 500S, it's the sports version. It's got an extra... Shut up! So it's got a gear indicator on it, it's got a real comfy seat, it's got a cowl around the headlight, all LED lighting. Did I miss the gear indicator?
No, you said that, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
One
Oh.
inside those, that's two.
And
Yeah.
the slipper clutch, which is
Lovely.
the most important thing. And of course we go with the Kawasaki 400.
Yeah. Yeah. That Ninja 400.
Yeah, that's the station. Me, I think I'm going to get on a few. Let's see what we like.
Any favourites?
What, bikes?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2,
As he looks around.
Yeah.
Ninja, yeah, I like them, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Ninja.
That's a Ninja, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, yeah, nice yellow one. Excellent, well done, mate.
So you got in for nothing?
So,
Just to it.
yeah, just got, yeah. So I said to the manager, he said, you can't go over there if you're not with a motorbike. And I said, I'm the video guy for Twisty, for the BBC. So he double took. And then we had a chuckle. And then I said, Twisty Road Rider. He said, yeah. And he got Perry. He said, can you come here, Perry? He said, can you take Roy over there? Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, excellent. So very good, very helpful.
Yeah, which is handy.
Yeah.
Because, you know, this is where we, I mean, later on when we come back, this will be full up with bikes. Last year when we came, we had 3 all. I mean, the territory with better bikes here than there was in the show.
Wow.
Yeah. Some really tasty bikes here. But yeah, later when we come back, we'll see them all there. And they don't let no one through here, so you probably won't get back in here either.
No, quite. Well, they've got to look after the bikes,
Yeah.
haven't they?
Yeah.
And they don't want anybody having an accident. I mean, it's a fair walk to walk over there, but yeah.
Yeah, no, it's all cool. Yeah. All right.